Court of Appeal has delivered ruling in an application by the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASUU, seeking permission to appeal against court order. The Industrial Court, held on September 21, granted advance order in favor of the federal government, ordering the university lecturers to resume work pending the resolution of their dispute with government. Counsel to ASUU, Femi Falana, son, claimed that it is the right of his client to file an appeal against the advance injunction because it is against them. Femi Falana cited several authorities to the effect that ASUU must seek and obtain leave of the Court of Appeal before filing notice of appeal so as to ensure validity of the appeal. Furthermore, in a vehement opposition to ASUU's application, the federal government prayed the appellate court to dismiss the entire application on grounds of incompetence and jurisdiction. The federal government lawyer James Igwe-san drew the attention of the court that the industrial court order made since September 21 has not been obeyed by the lecturers to date. However, Justice Amabaka, after taking argument from the two parties, announced that the decision of the court will be delivered on October 7th, 2023.
I would want to restrict my comments to the business of the court. Yes, I would like to, and then I wouldn't want to make a comment that will prejudice whatever parties are doing. It is our best interest, and in the interest of our children, in the interest of this generation and generations to come, in the interest of investments in the educational sector, in the interest of intellectualism, in the interest of the image of this nation, that strike should be called off. That's all we are saying, whichever way, no matter who wins. And we are saying it is not right to lock out our students who are not parties to this action while the matter is going on. We are also saying it is not right to lock down infrastructure. So much of investments that had been made in educational infrastructure several years, that we have been a nation for 8 months, leaving them dormant. That's all we are saying, whichever way. We are saying that it is security risk to leave our students at home. We are saying that it's a damage to their well-being for them to be locked out while parties are in court. Whichever way. And that remains our argument for the interest of this nation, for the interest of this generation and generations to come.
The decision that I reach with my clients, right?
All right.
But I can assure you, all hands are on deck up to the presidency to have this matter resolved in a matter of hours. I'm aware the leadership of the House of Representatives are giving assurance to Nigerians that the president is seized of this matter and that another meeting will be held today for a final resolution of the matter. The strike has dragged on for too long due to the failure of the government to comply with collective agreements signed with the members of the Academic Staff Union. So we hope that the government will now consider the interests of our young ones and students and do the needful so that this strike can be called off. On the part of our clients, they are willing, more than willing, to ensure that there is no further disruption of the academic program. As you may want to know, it is not a total strike as it is, because there are postgraduate students whose work is being considered by lecturers. We also assure the students that once the strike is called off, all the lectures they have missed will be covered. As you are well aware, based on past experience, holidays will be affected so that the student will not lose this session.
Atonda Babatunde, GTV Africa.